This logistical ballet coordinates components from thousands of miles away. A constant flow of production where the airplane comes to life.
Documentation verified. Section 41 is cleared for initial cleaning.
Automated vehicles guide the multi-hunt sections with millimeter precision. Before assembly, lasers map the surface to detect microscopic imperfections.
Robotics handle the heavy lifting, preparing the spools for the winding machines.
This steel mandrel gives the 787 its shape. It is the skeleton for the skin.
Program loaded. Tape tension set to optimal parameters.
Preparation is complete. The creation of the composite skin begins now.
7 layers of carbon tape are wound at high speed, creating a single-piece fuselage. This eliminates thousands of aluminum sheets and tens of thousands of rivets.
Winding complete. Inspecting overlap tolerance. The fuselage enters the autoclave, a massive oven that bakes the carbon into solid rock. Heat and pressure bond the molecular structure, creating a material stronger than steel. Door sealed. Pressurizing to 90 psi. Starting thermal cycle. For hours, it bakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature is still climbing faster than projected.
Pressure is stabilizing, but we need to watch the exothermic peak.
Cycle complete. Venting to atmosphere. Clear the track.
Once cooled, the composite is rigid, lightweight, and incredibly durable.
High-speed routers carve out the signature large windows of the Dreamliner.
Diamond-tipped bits are required to cut the abrasive carbon material.
The 787 windows are 30% larger than any other commercial jet.
Ultrasound scanners check for air pockets or delamination within the layers.
Scan resolution, 100%. No anomalies detected in Section 46.
Every square inch is verified. The structural integrity is guaranteed. Despite the robotics, the human eye and hand are the final judge.
A protective green primer seals the composite against moisture and corrosion.
Coat-thick pleated barrel is lifted to the moving line. Act 2 is complete. Now, the pieces of the puzzle arrive at the final assembly line. The moving line. A constant flow of production where the airplane comes to life. Joining the sections requires laser alignment and thousands of fasteners.
X-axis align. Y-axis align. Bring it in slow.
Torque set to spec. Marked and verified.
The wings, built in Japan, meet the fuselage in a critical marriage of structures.
Titanium pins the size of soda cans hold the wings in place.
Bring it down another 2 meters.
Reading confirmed, coming down slowly.
Layers of insulation protect passengers from the minus 60-degree cold of the stratosphere. 60 miles of wiring are threaded through the airframe, the nervous system of the jet.
Flight control bus A connected. Locking pins engaged.
The windshields are multi-layered glass, capable of withstanding bird strikes at 500 miles per hour.
Main flight display 1-inch position. Securing harness.
The landing gear must support the 500,000-pound aircraft on touchdown.
Hydraulic pressure lines secure. No leaks detected.
The heart of the beast, the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engine. Each blade is a masterpiece of titanium engineering, hollow and incredibly strong.
Easy on the lift. Watch the pylon clearance. 2 inches.
Structurally complete, the Dreamliner stands on its own landing gear.
Ready? Lift. Up. Easy now. Okay, slide it back.
Kitchens and lavatories are pre-built modules, slid into the plane like massive drawers. Potable water line connected. Waistline secure.
Thousands of square feet of lightweight carpet dampen the sound.
Leather finish is perfect. No scuffs on the shell.
The entertainment system is tested. A flying network of hundreds of computers.
With the interior complete, the aircraft moves to the final systems activation. Hydraulics breathe life into the wings. Flaps, slats, and ailerons are cycled.
Gear retraction sequence. Clear the bay. Going up.
Perfect alignment is crucial to reduce drag and save fuel.
The APU in the tail provides power when the main engines are off.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. Tank integrity confirmed.
The weather radar is sealed behind the composite nose cone. Masking lines must be razor sharp. No bleed allowed. The aircraft enters the paint hangar, a sealed environment for the final transformation.
Act 3 is complete. The structure is built. Now, it gets its identity.
Electrostatic guns charge the paint particles. ensuring an even coat.
600 pounds of paint are applied. The white base coat is the canvas.
Each airline has a unique livery, requiring custom mixed colors.
Peeling the mask. Clean lines. Perfect edge.
A clear coat adds the final gloss, reducing friction and protecting the art.
Total weight 254,000 pounds. Center of gravity within limits. The fuel system is calibrated. The wings hold 33,000 gallons of jet fuel. Before flight, the engines must be run to full power on the ground.
Engine 1 start. N1 rotation confirmed. EGT rising.
Full thrust. The brakes hold back the power of 600 cars.
Vibrations normal. Oil pressure green. Idle check complete. The navigation systems are aligned to magnetic north on the compass rose.
The aluminum leading edges are polished to a mirror finish.
The finish is exceptional. Our passengers will love this.
Controls feel crisp. Visibility is fantastic.
With a signature, ownership transfers. The $200 million asset changes hands.
Pivot covers removed. Static ports clear. She's ready.
The pushback tug connects. The journey is about to begin.
Checklist complete. Requesting taxi clearance for departure.
From a pile of raw carbon fiber, a machine of flight has emerged.
The composite wings are flexible, designed to bend rather than break.
Dreamliner 1 heavy, wind calm, runway 16R cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff thrust set. 80 knots.
Two engines generate 140,000 pounds of thrust, accelerating 200 tons.
D1, rotate.
Gravity is defeated. The Dreamliner is airborne.
Positive rate. Gear up.
Cruising at 40,000 feet, the composite wings flex up to 10 feet.
Efficient engines burn 20% less fuel, connecting the world more cleanly. Dreamliner 1, cleared to land runway 27L. Touchdown. The culmination of millions of man-hours.
A water cannon salute welcomes the new flagship to the fleet.
Welcome home, everyone.
Way! Welcome back.
It takes a global village to build a dream.
The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, a $400 million masterpiece of modern engineering.